Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm back with 4 spring Pinterest outfits where I take my Pinterest board that I'm inspired by and recreate those outfits using what I already have in my wardrobe. So let's get into it. This is a little bit more colorful. We got a couple of colorful outfits. I've got an athleisure outfit, a more casual outfit, and then white denim because I love white denim in the springtime. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited for how these outfits are going to come together. As always, not exact replicas. We're just trying to get inspired and use what we have instead of feeling the need to constantly rebuy. But it's also a great place to build a wardrobe that you actually absolutely love, which is what I have done. Pinterest has changed my wardrobe, honestly. It's crazy. So let's get into it. Let's start with look number 1. She's got like a bright short on. I don't have like a stripy short in that color, so we're just gonna do the ones that I do have. These are some of my favorite like little workout walking shorts. This is giving walking outfit to me. These are from CRZ. Love this color so much. I think I got these in a medium or maybe a small. I can't remember. I'll look and then have it linked down below, but they have a really cute little slit. They have like undies underneath, basically. They're running like dolphin short. So that's the base. Now let's put on a white tee. Look at this crazy hair. Okay, you guys, I ordered wallpaper for this room. I'll keep you posted. It comes in April. I also bought wallpaper for Arlo's bathroom. Oh my god, you guys are gonna die. It's so cute. What is this? Oh, my lip gloss on my forehead. That's cute. That's cute. I'm like running around with the chicken like with my head cut off. I'm pre-filming for the week and a half that my dad is in town. And it's Arlo's birthday and all of that. So doing what we can do. And today's Friday, Good Friday. And so Arlo's actually at the movies with Grandpa and Grandma. So yay for that. I'm very excited that they were able to take him to the Mario movie. He's obsessed. And I was able to get a little filming done. But I'm just like putting myself together really quick. So, oh, and I'll wear, I think, my last outfit probably. I don't know, we're gonna grab dinner. Oh, my butt hurts. I am back in the gym for the first time since having surgery. And oh my God, I'm sore. My shoulders, my butt. I mean, I love it, but also I'm tired. Okay, she has a pair of Asics on. I'm gonna put on my yellow Asics. Same, but different. Love these sneakers. Love the yellow. Ooh. Okay, so base of the outfit is just this. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh, I got Arlo the cutest wallpaper. I'm gonna show you. I'll show you it all once it comes. But I'm excited to start working on his room and working on upstairs. As soon as I'm done, we're not even done with all the projects. Like, before I even get done, I'm moving on to the next. It's just the way my brain works. Okay, so I have this little like gray neck that I just got makeup all over, but it's from Halara. It's so good. It's got like pockets in the side, and it's just a good like oversized sweatshirt. I actually wore the mock neck one this morning to my workout class because it was workout to the gym because it was a little cold this morning. So I popped that on over my little biker shorts, but it is pretty large, so I'm just gonna tuck it into the waistband a little, just to give myself a little bit of shape. She has a fun hat on. I have this hat that I think is so cute, and I like never wear this. My goal for this coming year is to get this space in my office more workable for my life, like for work, because it just feels like it's honestly always just chaotic and kind of thrown together. Oh wow, I did not have as big of a head as I thought I did. So yeah, I can see my accessories better, you know. This is a men's hat from Abercrombie, like from years ago. Guys, I planted my first bulbs. Like I planted elephant ear bulbs and caladiums. I don't know, something like that. We're gonna use this little clip because she has her hair kind of up in a pony, and my hair is like, I just threw it in rollers today because I was like, I don't care. I didn't want to style it, but I also didn't want to leave it like plain. You think I love her door so much. I've pinned her outfit so many times just because I want her front door. Not that I feel like it would look great on my house, but this is look number one. A perfect little walking outfit. I'm here for it. Her, me, how'd we do? I think we nailed it. Red shorts, a hat, running shorts, sneakers. So good. Can't go wrong. This needs to be in regular rotation. It was up in my upstairs closet because it's just kind of life, but I forgot how good it is. So it's not like fleecy inside. It's almost like a athleisure, like scuba type of thing. It feels like it's from Lulu. But anyway, that was look number one. Let's move on to look number two. She's over here in her baby stroller. Not me. Not your girl. I don't know. Probably. Probably not. Okay. So let's build this. I don't think her top is linen. I actually know it's not, but we're gonna do a linen because I don't have a white like plain tank like this. So we're gonna do my linen tank, shelf tank or shell tank from Quince. But first, let's put on our linen pants. I have not worn these since last spring. So let's pop them on there from H&M. They still fit really well. Good, I was worried. They still fit great. Okay. I love H&M's linen. I think they do it so affordably and so well. So let's take off all this stuff. Put on a little shell top. I need to wash this now though because I have makeup all over it. This little yellow. Love this. Hopefully I can cook this. There we go. Okay, so like I said, hers is definitely like a more fitted top. But I think I'm just gonna leave this out. And the only thing I wish this band was like a little smaller and not as like thick, but it's not a big deal. This hair is going wild. That's why I had it up. But I know it will like settle in like a minute, so it's like not even worth. It's also humid as heck because it's supposed to rain tonight, so it's gonna fall the minute I walk outside. Okay, she has a pair of like flip-flops on, and then she has a really cute like statement like necklace, and I have something very similar to it, so let's pop that on. This is a cute outfit, very good. Very springy, very summery. There we go, there we have it. I think hers is black if I'm not mistaken, but it's the same kind of concept of like a, I don't know what you call these things. A blob is what I call them actually, but I don't think that's their technical name. Ow, I got my hair stuck in this necklace. I get hair stuck in this necklace all the time. It's still worth it. So, how do we do? Look number two. Obviously different, but still very similar in concept and still inspired me. So that's what I mean about these videos. It's like, it's not perfect, but you get the same kind of gist and it's still really good. So, love it. Okay. And these videos, like truly what it's done for me is like, I'm somebody who would be like, I have nothing to wear, but I have 8 million pairs of clothing, so yes, I do. I'm just not inspired to put outfits together, and that's okay, and that's where Pinterest comes in, because you're like, I love it on her, I have pieces like that, let me put it on me, see if I love it. And odds are, I do. So, look number two. Let's move on to look number three. Both of the next two outfits, oh, I think I need these flip-flops. Let me not kick it over to my pile of shame over here. God, I'm a mess, Okay. White jeans. Both of them have white jeans. So let's pop them on. So honestly, for both of these next two outfits, the jeans are definitely not jeans like this, but this is what I have. I only have 2 pairs of white jeans. Actually, I have 3. One's tight, one's a straight leg, and then one's a barrel. And I still think these would get the job done. So base white jeans. And this I showed in my like Pinterest outfits I can't wait to style for the spring. It's so basic, but it's so good. So let's pop on our little blue button up. All right, so this is an old button up from H&M, and she just kind of has it very like oversized and large. Honestly, I kind of want to wear this for the rest of the day. It's also kind of hot, so I don't know. And then she has a black pair of flip-flops. And that's it. Like, truly, that is it. But like, you can't tell me that's not great. It's so good. Simple. Good. What is going on with this hair? Go for a spicy marg or a crisp glass of Sauvignon Blanc. I don't care which one. I just want it. It's Friday, you know, we made it. We made it. I also have hired cleaners for the first time in my entire life. They start next Wednesday. They're like friends of friends, like that have worked with them for a while, but I'm like nervous and excited all at the same time. I was like not going to do it. Then I was like, I need help. I physically can't do it all with Arlo doing as many activities after school, wanting to like spend more time with him, working, all the things. Like it's too much. And it's summer, I want to be outside versus like winter, fall, like we watch football and I can clean and do stuff in the house, but like now I want to be outside. So it's like, we're gonna try it out, we're gonna see. I'm excited, I'm really hopeful. So we're doing the initial deep clean, and then we're scheduled for over 2 weeks, but we'll see. But I'm still, I mean, it's not like I'm off the hook for cleaning. I have a dog and a child and a Scott. Messier than the two of those combined. But anyway, this is the third look. I love this. Just classic, cute. Something about white denim just reminds me of Dallas. I don't know the reasoning, but it just does. Okay, let's move on. First of all, I think we nailed it. It's obviously very basic, but obviously so good. Let's move on to the fourth look. Fourth look, shall we? We're gonna keep these pants on, but we're gonna change out for a black tee, my little Uniqlo tee. Oh my gosh, so we have Arlo's birthday next Saturday. Okay, so here I am thinking, like, it's like one of those things where you have to like plan how many kids are gonna be there. It's like a inflatable park, right? So anyways, I'm like, okay, it's like 10 kids for the pack that I like purchased. Well, it's 10 kids period. But anyway, I'm like, okay, that's fine. And I like am making the birthday list, and at first I'm like, oh, I'll just like invite more because obviously kids are not going to be able to come. Tell me why all 17 kids that I've invited have said yes. I'm like, oh no, whatever. It's like we haven't had a birthday party for him since he was 2, and he doesn't even remember it. And that's because the 3rd birthday we were in Florida, his 4th birthday we were in Mexico, and his 5th birthday we were buying this house. We literally closed on this house on his birthday when we were playing at Pop Stroke. So life's been chaotic, okay? Chaotic. It's kind of how I'm justifying the fact that like he deserves a big old birthday, you know? And he is so excited. And like, of course we wanted to do it where like we wanted a house where we could have a birthday party, and like one day we can, but we have the pool, and I just don't think everyone's kid at this age at like 5, 6 is able to swim. So we wouldn't do a birthday swim party until he's like 7, 8, you know what I mean? Because then they're like more, you know, able to do that stuff. But we have like room for like a bounce house back here, a small one, but we have room for it. So we can do a pool party some year. But the problem is also April is just so up in the air depending on weather, and it's supposed to rain, so I'm glad we're doing something indoors. Okay, so base of the outfit's on, black, gray, and white. Her hair is in a pony. I'm gonna do a pony, but I am gonna do a clip. Good. And then depending if it's cold in a restaurant, I think this will be great. This is so good. Black and white together every time. She nailed it. I think I nailed her nail. So yeah, what do you guys think? As always, I'd love to know what your favorite outfit was down below. I think they were all really fun. I liked the little bit of color in every single outfit except for this one. But sometimes a boring outfit is good too. They're all good. Not that it's boring. It's great, but anyway. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for rambling and catching up with me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one really, really soon.